Have you ever wondered where to find your Amazon Pay transaction history? Whether you want to track a recent payment, verify a refund, or just keep an eye on your spending, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the login page. Now, enter the email address linked to your Amazon account. Click Continue and then type in your password. Make sure your login details are accurate so you can access your account without any issues. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected back to Amazon's homepage. Hover your mouse over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top. A drop-down will appear. From here, click on Your Orders. This section shows your complete order history, but we're specifically looking for Amazon Pay transactions. On the Your Orders page, locate and click the Amazon Pay option. You'll now be directed to the Amazon Pay dashboard, which might take a second to load. Here, you'll see your full transaction history. Every payment made using Amazon Pay will be listed here. You can view transaction details, check payment status, and even download receipts directly from this page. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep track of your online payments and ensure everything is in order. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your Amazon Pay transaction history in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.